This photocopier slash printer has a problem with its aftermarket toner cartridge that was just placed into it. The error message here says unknown toner installed into the yellow slot. Replace toner container to our specified toner container. So let me show you what the aftermarket looks like, how it's different from the original. Let's compare yellow to yellow. They are color coded, and the aftermarket has this arrow on it, and the original says Kyocera on it. Oh, sorry, I forgot to show you this. This is a Kyocera TASKalfa 306 CI, but the principle applies to other brands, different makes and models equally. So what makes this one unacceptable and this one fully functional is this little black chip that I've started removing from these aftermarket containers. You're gonna have to pry this one off. There's another one on this magenta, so these need to be removed in order for the cartridge to be recognized, because on the original one you don't have it. So what you need for this removal is very straightforward. I'll put you on the tripod here, and you can see here the action. Just needs a few seconds with a sharp chisel. This is an actually sharp chisel. So that's what I'm using. I'm not saying you should. I'm saying this is what I do and this is how it works. So don't put my hand or finger or anything else in front of it, and it needs very little prying. It's quite flexible and is glued on the back side. There. That's all there is to it. It's being removed. Goes on the table there. Let's put it into the copier and see how this works out. So this is again the aftermarket with the yellow arrow on it and no chip on it anymore. Make sure the front is closed, and let's see. Preparing to print. The magenta is low, but other than that, yeah, one more color to change. Yeah, that's gonna be the magenta to be replaced. So I got one more chip to remove. Very, very simple, and if you have the manual dexterity and eyesight, you can do this yourself and have aftermarket toner cartridges accepted by the machine without a problem.